Hello, my learners back at home. Welcome to our lesson today. This is grade 1, environmental activities. Today we have a new subtopic. It's about weather conditions. But before we start our new lesson today, I want us to go back to whatever we learned in our previous lesson about weather and the sky. What do you remember about our last lesson? It was about the weather and the sky. And what did we look at in our previous lesson? We were able to see the appearance of the sky during the day. What can you see in the sky during the day? Do you remember? Perfect. And also the appearance of the sky during the night. So if you look at the weather and the sky, and today's subtopic, it's about weather conditions. So welcome with Miss Gentrix. When we look at the weather conditions, we are looking at first weather. What is weather? When you ask yourself about weather, what comes to your mind? Do you have some clue about it? So what are we saying weather is? Weather is the hotness, the coldness. It could be wet, it could be dry, it could be calm, sometimes stormy, or even you could see the clear clouds. That's all about when you hear someone talking about the weather. And when we talk about the weather, it keeps on changing from time to time. And let's look at the word condition. What is a condition? When you hear someone talking about a condition here, we are talking about the appearance of something, and it could be bad or good. So we are here talking about weather conditions, and I hope you're going to enjoy today's lesson. And the questions will be very easy peasy like a lemon squeezy. So, on to our new words. There are some of the words you're going to meet in this lesson. So come with me. So we have the first word, sunny. I just want you to pay attention. Don't write anything yet. I will let you know when to write. So we have the first word, sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, stormy, and snowy.